Tesla crossing that top global selling car according to Jayco Research and Motor1.com. You've seen that Tesla Model Y sold 267,000 units in Q1, just above that Toyota Corolla, which sells globally at 256,000 there for the top two. Drilling down into those numbers, you see that 35% of all Model Ys are actually sold in China. That's up 26% year over year. And 31% of all Model Ys were sold in the U.S. That's up a whopping 68% year over year. Now, good news here, but like I said before, cutting costs does sort of hurt your margins. It's a concern for Tesla investors, seeing that gross margin numbers dip below 20%. CEO Elon Musk doesn't seem so worried about it. He wants to grow the install base. He wants to sell higher margin software products. So that's his goal there. But also want to note that don't feel too bad about Toyota here, because of the top 5 vehicles, 4 of them were Toyota vehicles, and they have a global footprint, like I mentioned, and they're able to sort of weather certain concerns or issues that pop around the globe, territory by territory, whereas Tesla is sort of levered to U.S., China, and Europe as its top 3 territories.